Hello everybody, anybody new to my channel, my name is Jeff and welcome to my little machine shop. This video is an update on my illness. I know people have been with my channel since the beginning. It's only been right around a year and a half. I don't think it's quite a year and a half yet, but most of those people know that I'm terminally ill with a disease called pulmonary fibrosis. And then there's other people who have joined have started watching and are subscribed who probably haven't seen a video where I've mentioned that. But I gasp a lot in my videos, and over the last 5 or 6 months I've tried to do my videos without showing my face because I didn't want people to see this. But still I'm at the point where I want to give everybody an update on where I am with my terminal illness here. Again, yes, I'm terminally ill. This disease is trying to take my life. I got to get a double lung transplant, and that I have feelings about that too. I'm not going to go into right now. But at this point, as you see, I don't have oxygen on. So I can still just hold my own without oxygen 24/7. My left lung is gone. I'm no longer breathing off the left lung. I'm breathing totally off the right lung. And it can be a chore. It can absolutely be difficult. Especially if I do too much physical activity too quickly. It literally... The other day it happened to me, and I didn't think I was going to be able to resupply, put enough oxygen in my bloodstream to recover from it. I thought for sure I was going to pass out, and whatever was going to happen was going to happen. I was just gasping, and I couldn't. I was still going downhill at the same time. I was breathing hard as I could. And needless to say, I got through it. But it didn't take much physical activity for me to go there. So at this point in the shop, I'm finding myself tired more often and no stamina, no energy. And I don't have I'm not able to stay out here 8 hours a day for a couple of days straight just to do a 20-minute video. So I want to give everybody an update on where I stand with this. My disease has progressed to this point. Breathing's difficult, and I don't have the stamina to stay in here 8-10 hours a day right now. So I'm not quitting on you. I'm going to keep going. I'm just going to have to go a little slower, I think. But we're going to keep trying here. It's been difficult financially to keep doing this as well. There's so many tools. I don't have a lot in this shop, and I'm always doing things with what I have here. And quite regularly, I don't do certain things in videos because I don't have the tooling. There's always a reason why I don't bring something up or I don't do something a particular way. And there's that. So, anyways, I'm going to keep going. I'm not going to quit on you. I have a little video I'm working on now. I was hoping to get up this week, but I just didn't have it to stay out here that much this week, so we're going to try and get it done this coming week and get it up for next Friday. It's an SKS barrel Picatinny mount. It's a barrel mount Picatinny rail for an accessory for a friend of mine. His SKS. People are familiar with that particular subject. Don't want to mention any words because I won't even go into that. But anyways, know that can be kind of difficult at times to get mounts for for an SKS. So we're going to machine one up. I got a nice design. I think it's going to work out really well. So that'll be the next video, and I'm going to do my best to get it up by next Friday for y'all. But I wanted to give y'all an update and let you know where I stand with this, how far I've progressed, and again, the left lung is gone, so I'm breathing off the right. But yeah, I'm getting just enough oxygen where I don't have to carry oxygen around 24/7. I'm not on it. But that's not far off. I've outlived the prognosis by over a year now. They said I had 6 months. December was 18 months. So I'm literally working into 2 years now since I was diagnosed. Most people live 3 to 5 years with this disease. I was a smoker for 40 years. Until diagnosis, and I gave up the cigarettes. I do carry a vape in my hand once in a while, but that's it. I carry it. It's just a crutch. So you may have seen me do that in videos. But anyways, the disease has progressed, and here I am. You're seeing it with your own eyes. This is where I'm at. And we're not going to go into the lung transplant thing right now. I have a lot of conflicting thoughts on this. Some of you know I've had 18 spine surgeries, and I spent 4 years of my life in bed recovering from spine surgeries. And I've been through quite a bit with that. And that is memories that are affecting my decision about the lung transplant. I'm remembering all that, and I'm looking at this lung transplant, the risks that are involved, the life expectancy that comes with the lung transplant, and all the variables. But I'm not going to go into that right now, but I am having conflicting thoughts about getting a lung transplant. So right now, I'm going to keep going. I'm not going to quit on you, but I'm going to do this on days that I can do it. It's just, I've never been one to not 100% focus on getting through and over an obstacle and moving on. I've never saw myself as the thought of stopping, quitting, never entered my brain. It's how do I get up? How do I fight? How do I overcome? And that's been the story of my life. And if I didn't have that attitude, I don't think I'd have made it through the spine surgeries. I mean, there were times where my legs didn't function, and they function today. I'm not on pain meds. I take ibuprofen only, and I have an incredible amount of pain in my body. But I've had enough years under my belt where I've literally learned to ignore it, and I literally ignore it. The pain's terrible. My feet are on fire 24/7. Never goes away. The pain and nerve pain in my legs and my arms, I can't even describe it. But I have learned over the years to try to literally what it feels like to me is I'm separating my physical self from the pain, and I literally ignore it. I can feel the pain the entire time, but I'm able to just somehow ignore it and just cancel it out slightly, just enough to where it's there, but I'm over here. I don't know how to explain it, but that's how I deal with it today, and I'm obviously I'm successful at it. So, but this is not quite as easy. So anyways, I love y'all. I wanted to give you an update on what's going on with me and let you know I'm not quitting on you. The channel's been difficult at times this way. There hasn't been a whole lot of support for the channel. Some people have supported me, and I'm grateful for everybody who wants to, who wishes they could, and who has. I love y'all, and I'm trying, but there are times where I just can't afford to get new tools or tools to do a specific project and crap like that. So it's been tough. It's been hard. And the results on the channel just aren't there to where I can just afford to just do what I want to do. So that plays a role in this. This is playing a role in this. But as of right now, I'm going to keep marching forward and keep my chin up and keep fighting for my life. And we're going to figure out, I'm going to make a decision whether I'm going to put myself through a lung transplant or I'm just going to let this disease take its course. And we all go there. Well, yeah, one of the things that's coming along with this for me is all the variables that are involved with dying and trying to live. And one of the biggest ones that comes across my mind a lot is me getting lungs that somebody else who might be more deserving of those lungs don't get. That weighs heavily on me. It really does. I can't even think about it because that alone makes me say no to a lung transplant. I don't want to take lungs from somebody else, a younger person who has much more life ahead of them. That bothers me. That bothers me a great deal. But anyways, I want you all to know I love you. I appreciate everybody who has subscribed. I appreciate everybody who watches, and I appreciate every one of you. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. I'm going to do my best to get this SKS video done by next Friday. I mean, there's plenty of other things that are on my plate, but it's going to have a lot to do with my stamina and my energy. I love you all very much. Have a fantastic weekend. Have a good work week, and we'll see you next weekend in the next video. Take care of yourselves.